Meaning of doom-laden.
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 Doom-laden. Doom-laden refers to something that is full of a sense of impending disaster or misfortune. It suggests that a negative outcome is almost guaranteed and that the situation is beyond hope or control. The phrase is often used to describe a dark and ominous atmosphere or tone. A doom-laden prophecy, for example, might foretell the end of the world or a catastrophic event that cannot be prevented. Alternatively, a doom-laden movie or book might depict a bleak and hopeless future where there is no hope for salvation or redemption.